This is your weekly real estate update for the greater Portland, Maine area. These are closed sales for the last 7 days, median numbers. So days on market went down a little bit to 11 days on market. The list to sale ratio still at 100%. I don't know when that number is going to change. Probably over the summer, I could see it going up a bit, but I don't see it going down anytime soon. The median sold price went up to $460,000. The average 30-year fixed interest rate went up a little bit this week, which was the first time in I think 6 or 7 weeks, to 6.8%, and the annual U.S. inflation still at 2.8%. So this past week in the Maine and U.S. economy was a lot of the same stuff. Nerves about inflation, consumer confidence down, the investor confidence is down, all this stuff swirling around, right? But one of the themes that I spotted was real estate professionals and organizations are pretty bullish on real estate. You had NAR adjust their numbers up, Redfin adjust their numbers up. MSB Highway, the Case-Shiller came out with their numbers and they were up. So still very strong confidence in real estate. So I got some numbers for you here. The NAR adjusted their expected sales volume up 6% year over year, and they expect price appreciation to go up 3% year over year. MSB Highway thinks the volume of sales will go up 10% year over year. And then we had Case-Shiller's report come out, and year over year prices went up 4.1%, and the FHFA year over year numbers were up 4.8%. So all of these numbers are supporting a very strong real estate sector. The only gap really is the rental market. Rental market went down 0.5% year over year, and that's the 22nd month in a row where the rental market has dipped down. And we talked about this before, but of course that comes from all of that multifamily development in the last 2, 3, 4 years, which then is now coming to completion. And when you flood those markets with inventory, you see demand go down and prices go down. There are some sale and resale markets where that is happening. So in Texas, in Arizona, in Florida, a ton of new builds, right? So you see a similar trend in house pricing for sales. They're dropping down. But in places like Maine, we don't have that kind of inventory. We have barely any new construction. So our prices year over year are up over 9%, and I don't see a huge amount of building happening. So more of what I've been saying since before the beginning of the year. I do not think that you're going to see prices come down nationally or in the state of Maine all of 2025. I do not think you're going to see a massive drop off in the rates. They might, I would say, hover in the 6s, maybe high 5s at some point if we get lucky. And I think that even already we have seen that if there is some economic instability that happens, the real estate sector appears to be holding solid, irregardless of that. I hope this stuff was helpful. If you have any questions, reach out.